Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in to the Mspy account where the subscription lives. Use the account email and password, because without them you cannot proceed. Once signed in, check payments or subscription sections to see active plans and renewal dates. This matters, since you may have auto-pay. Make sure you're on a desktop browser if possible for full menu access. If the subscription was purchased through Apple or Google, note that you will cancel through those stores instead. Once inside your account, navigate to Account, Billing, or Subscriptions. The labels vary. You'll see active plans listed with the next billing date. Click the specific plan to reveal management options. Choose Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription and follow prompts. You may need to confirm password again or enter a verification code. If the Cancel button is hidden, use contact support from the same area to request cancellation and ask for confirmation ID. Keep screenshots or PDFs of the confirmation page for records. Complete the cancellation by following the final confirmation prompt. You should receive an on-screen confirmation and an email. You're done once you have that confirmation ID. Save it and check your payment method over the next billing cycle to ensure no charge reappears. If you subscribed via Apple or Google, verify cancellation in their subscription settings. If something goes wrong, contact Mspy support with your account and order ID, and request a refund if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.